How to pair or connect the i7s mini clone AirPods or fake AirPods or whatever you guys want to call it to an iPhone XR. So let's get started, and basically first things first, let's go ahead and make sure that the base of the pins are touching. So to confirm that, you want to press the button over here that will turn it on for charging. So press that on, and if the both sides are lit in red like this, it just means that they're both currently touching the base of the case, okay, so that it's actually picking up charge. So you can go ahead and close that, press that one more time, and just to turn that off. So with that said and done, that means it was charging the whole time. And yes, I know I'm missing a vent. All right, so we're gonna get the i7s into pairing mode so it can show up on our iPhone XR. So to do this, as they are both currently off, these are one of the earlier models for clone AirPods. So as they're currently off, you'll press down on the physical buttons here. We'll hold them down together until they light up like this, and just let it go. Once they start doing that, they'll both go into pairing mode, and then they'll automatically sync into each other until the right side enters as the host pairing mode. Okay, so once you've gotten it to do that, you are on the right path. And with that said and done, we'll go into the settings of our iPhone XR here. We'll go to where it says Bluetooth and turn on our Bluetooth settings. So just let's go switch that on here. And I'll start searching for nearby devices, and you'll see i7 mini show up. Now, once that shows up, basically just select that. And then, of course, it will say connected. And you'll notice the lights will no longer be flashing. Okay, so they're going to stop blinking, and it'll show that it's connected. And that's pretty much it for the guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.